friends, today we are going story about Peppa Pig. This is Granny Dog. Today is Granny Dog birthday. This is Peppa and this is George. Peppa, George say George. George, today is Granny Dog birthday and he invited everyone and me. George, you too come in birthday party. In birthday party, George, come, let's ask Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig. Peppa and George ask Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig. Daddy Pig, Mummy Pig, George too come in birthday party. Yes, come George, let change clothes. Peppa and George change him clothes. Then George and Peppa George and Peppa going in birthday party with Mummy Pig. Peppa and George here in birthday party. Birthday party is start. Everyone playing Tippu. Then everyone dancing. Then Granny Dog cut the cake like this. This is Granny Dog cake. I can dog this. 1 minute. This is Granny Dog cake. And this is Granny Dog. And this is her friends. 1 minute. And this is her friends. George and Peppa. And everyone. And Granny Dog cut the cake like this. Happy birthday, Granny Dog. Happy birthday, Granny Dog. Happy birthday, Granny Dog. Happy birthday, Granny Dog. Then Granny Dog blow the candle. Then Granny Dog give everyone return gift. This is your thanks. Then next give. This is your thanks. So now we are मुझको नहीं बोलना पड़ेगा. इसके बाद हम जो भी स्टोरी करेंगे हम मिलेंगे एक साथ. Cheers to cheers.